Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. Once you have your image open up, the first thing I want you to do is to duplicate the background layer. Let's rename this new layer to say left. Now I'm going to use the crop tool and select ratio from the drop down. Depending on where you want the center of the mirror to be, adjust and resize your crop tool window. Just make sure the delete cropped pixels checkbox is selected. Next, hit enter to commit your changes. Now I'm going to duplicate the left layer and rename it to right. With the right layer selected, click on edit and then select flip horizontal from the transform menu. Now click on the move tool and drag the current layer to the left of the underlying layer. Use the pink lines to adjust and align the foreground layer with the background. Now all you have to do is click on image and select reveal all. If you wanted to go one step further and apply some adjustments to the mirror image, select the left and right layers followed by right click and convert to smart object. This will also allow us to modify the image non-destructively. Now you can click on the adjustments tab and pick say brightness/contrast adjustment and play around with the two sliders. I wanted to cover one more quick scenario. Say your requirement was to just flip the whole image. The way you do that is by clicking on image and then select flip canvas horizontal from the image rotation menu. You can also flip it vertically by clicking on flip canvas vertical. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.